Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make healthy salad. This recipe is very easy, very healthy, and we all need salads. So first of all, I'm cutting these cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are also an excellent source of vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and potassium. So cherry tomatoes are rich in lycopene as well, which is great at fighting free radicals that cause diseases. There are so many colors in cherry tomatoes. You can see I also bought different colors and they are beautiful. They are very nice in taste and you have to add in your salad. Next salad we need olives, and olives are very high in vitamin E and other powerful antioxidants, and they are good for the heart and may protect against cancer. So there are many colors in olives as well, like black olives are also great for your health and you can add them, but I just add these green olives because they are available. Next salad is gherkins. These are pickled gherkins and these are also very nice in taste and they have a lot of benefits as an vegetable. They help digestion and may ease your muscle cramps, curb sugar spikes, and they are also high in vitamin A and vitamin E. Next, I'm adding in my salad cucumber. So cucumber is full of hydration, and cucumber can control your blood sugar and also antioxidants, and it's very good for your heart health, and there's a lot of benefits of cucumber, so use cucumber in your salad, it's must. So here is my bowl and I'm putting all these vegetables or salad in one bowl. First cucumber, then cherry tomatoes, next gherkins. You can add more vegetables if you want cabbage, if you want onions, olives, and now I'm adding these beetroots. So beetroots are the great source of fiber, folate, vitamin B9, and iron and vitamin C. Beetroot juice is very nice for your health benefits, including improve your blood flow, lower your blood pressure, increase your exercise performance. Now I am just adding little bit of dressing. You don't need to dress up too much. So you just need 1 teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste, and here I'm using virgin olive oil, which is very good for your health as well. So just mix it up and it's ready. Salad is ready. So our salad is ready to serve. You can serve it with your main course as well. I hope you enjoy the video. So don't forget to subscribe our channel if you are new. So thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.